Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix no sound during calls on your OPPO A6 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume during a call using the side buttons on the right side. So you definitely want to do that first, because when you're in a call, then you want to make sure that your volume is up to the max. Now go into the settings and go over to the sounds and vibration. Here, as you guys can see, you cannot change the volume button. We can change it to ringtone or media volume, but it's volume button function. Basically, you cannot change it to call, and this is what we want to do. So we want to change our call volume. So you can only do that in an active call. As you guys can see, you cannot do that here. You can only change the media, ringtone, notification, and alarm. So none of this actually is interesting for us right now. And that's why you need to call up somebody and change the volume while being in a call. After that, what you guys can do is go back into the settings and go into the Bluetooth. Here in the Bluetooth, you guys want to make sure that your Bluetooth is disabled to make sure that there's no connected devices to your phone. For example, your car, everything else like headphones, earbuds, practically anything that's connectable by Bluetooth to your device. After that, as you guys can see, we have a little earpiece right here, and we want to clean it with a soft brush to make sure that there's no dust inside of it, or that it's just not clogged by the dust, because that may result in no sound. After that, if you guys were using the phone app to call up somebody, then what you guys can do is try another app like WhatsApp, Instagram, basically anything that has a call support and that you know that is working. And after that, what you guys can do is restart the phone if there's still no sound. So press the power button plus volume up button at the same time, and here swipe up to restart the device. So I'll see you guys once the device is restarted. Now after the restart, you will see something like this, and basically enter your password. After that, what you guys can do is update your software. So go into the settings, here swipe down until you guys see system and update. Here you want to click software update right up top, and it will automatically check for new updated versions. So as you guys can see, my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it, because it's very important to keep up with the latest updates on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.